Picture this. It's a Tuesday morning, coffee brewing, and you're staring at a mountain of work. You need to analyze sales numbers, build a spreadsheet, and create a PowerPoint for your boss. Usually hours of tedious clicking. But now, OpenAI's ChatGPT Agent changes everything. This isn't just a minor update, it's a leap forward. Instead of doing every step yourself, you just tell the AI what you want, and it does the work for you. Imagine saying, take this data, find the top regions, make a chart, and put it in a presentation. And it just happens. This shift turns us from operators into directors, letting us focus on strategy and ideas. OpenAI's goal? Automate the grunt work, so you can do what matters. The barrier to creating professional documents is about to drop for everyone. Get ready. The way we work with computers is about to get a lot more interesting. So, what is the ChatGPT agent? Think of regular ChatGPT, but now it can actually use your apps. It browses the web, crunches numbers in spreadsheets, and builds presentations, acting like a real digital assistant. The magic is in its ability to break down complex requests into actionable steps. Ask it to research restaurants and it'll find reviews, organize them in a spreadsheet, and make a presentation. This is a leap from just generating text. It's about getting things done. The agent integrates with your software, plans, and executes multi-step tasks. You give high-level instructions, it handles the details. You don't need to be super specific, just talk to it naturally. It bridges conversational AI with the practical tools you use every day. The result? A versatile assistant for almost any computer-based task. Let's see it in action. Planning a team offsite? Just tell the agent. Find 3 venues in Austin for 15 people, with Wi-Fi and catering. Put details in a spreadsheet and make a summary presentation. It does the research, organizes the info, and builds your files while you grab coffee. Got a huge sales data file? Upload it and say, analyze this, show top 5 products by revenue, and make a slide for each. The agent handles the data crunching and presentation. It's not just for work. Need a dinner reservation? Ask for an Italian place nearby with a 4-star rating at 7 p.m., and it'll find and even help book it. For small businesses, it's like having an analyst, marketer, and admin rolled into one. It can create marketing materials, analyze feedback, track inventory, or draft a business plan. No steep learning curve, just ask and it delivers. It empowers anyone to make smarter decisions and look professional. No big team required. It's your multi-talented digital employee, always on call. Microsoft Office has ruled the workplace for decades. Excel, Word, PowerPoint are second nature. But now, ChatGPT Agent is changing the game. It doesn't replace Office, it works with it, generating files you can open and edit in familiar apps. The real shift is in how work gets done. Microsoft's Copilot helps inside each app, but ChatGPT Agent works from the outside, creating whole documents for you. It's like having a chef prepare your meal, not just a helper in the kitchen. If the agent makes work easier, people may spend less time inside Office and more time directing the AI. The value moves from software skills to giving clear instructions. For now, use the agent for heavy lifting, then polish in Office. Think of it as your brilliant intern. You add the final touch. The battle for your workflow's starting point is on, and it's going to be fascinating. Why care about this AI agent? The biggest reason? Time. It handles the boring, repetitive stuff, formatting slides, building charts, pulling data, so you can focus on creative, high-value work. It tackles complex, multi-step projects from a single prompt, making big tasks manageable for anyone. You don't need to be a data scientist or designer. The agent empowers you to take on ambitious projects. The quality is impressive. Polished documents, clear reports, and well-structured presentations. It's a huge help for those who aren't natural writers or designers. The agent lowers the barrier to powerful tools. No need to master Excel, just ask for what you need. It democratizes access to data and professional content regardless of skill level. This means better decisions and more effective communication across your team. It's like having a communications expert and analyst on call, anytime. As exciting as the ChatGPT agent is, it's not flawless. It can be slow with huge or complex tasks. Don't expect instant results with massive data sets. Its presentation designs are basic, good templates, but you'll want to tweak them for style. Think of it as building the house, you still decorate. A big limitation, it doesn't support Google Workspace yet. No Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. If your team lives in Google Drive, you'll have to wait for integration. Real-time collaboration is missing. It's a solo workflow for now. You give the agent a task, it delivers the file, and then you take over. It's a powerful personal assistant, but not yet a team player. Expect these gaps to close as the technology matures. What does this mean for the future of work? The ChatGPT Agent signals a new era where we partner with AI, not just operate software. Your value shifts from clicking buttons to thinking critically and guiding the AI. The competition between OpenAI and Microsoft will drive rapid innovation. We'll see AIs that are faster, smarter, and more integrated into our workflows. The lines between apps will blur as AI agents handle tasks across your digital world. This tech can make work genuinely better, less drudgery, more creativity. It's not about robots taking jobs, but about robots taking chores, freeing us to be more human. The ChatGPT agent is a powerful first step into this future. The real question, how will you use these tools to your advantage? The future is here. Are you ready to hire an AI assistant for your desk job?